Hello everyone. The former President Jacob Zuma loves sharing more than tea with the EFF leader Julius Malema as he believes his new MK party and the EFF could secure a majority of votes in the upcoming national and provincial elections. Julius Malema turned 43 on Sunday and Zuma sent him birthday wishes. He said, "You are now 43. That is a very good age in the circumstances in which we are. I want to wish you a happy birthday and wish you and all of us to change the country needs this year, whether they like it or not. We must win with a 2/3 majority." The MK party has a target of winning a 2/3 majority in May when it contests elections for the first time. Since 1994, no party in its first election contested has attained a 2/3 majority. Another ANC breakaway party during Zuma's term as a president was the Congress of the People, COPE, and received more than 1,311 votes in 2009, a few months after it was founded by Mosiya Lekota, Mbazima Shilowa, and Mluleki George. In 2014, the EFF received more than 1,169 votes when it contested elections for the first time. The DA contested in its first national elections in 2004 and received more than 1,931 votes. Zuma was ambitious that the EFF's votes combined with the MK party's vote in this year's national and provincial elections would change the voting trajectory. Zuma went on to say, "Be ready that we must have our 2/3 as a black majority in this country. We will sort out other things thereafter." While Zuma has plans for the MK party to govern, it has not elected formal leadership structures nor announced premier candidates. The former president said the delay to elect leaders was because he was wary of corrupt individuals and wanted to ensure the right people are elected. He said, "People keep asking, when are you electing structures? But we are not in a hurry. People these days get into politics because they have other motives. I want to caution you that people who join MK from the ANC bring with them a corruption culture. I don't want corrupt people here." Happy birthday to Julius Malema. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.